Hi guys, welcome back to the channel, and today in this video we will be looking at geometry. So there are so many different parts for geometry. Well, I'm just going to really show the basic stuff where we are not going to construct the angles, where we just learn the types of angles. So that's the basic thing we're going to do today. So at first, let's see some of the what is an angle and the parts of an angle. So let's say I have an angle. Well, this is how we represent an angle. You have to always put the part called an angle. That's when people will know that this is actually an angle. If it's not there, it becomes just a random diagram. No one will understand it unless you. So uh, you have to always put that, and if you don't put that in an exam, the teacher knows that you're trying to represent it, but he can't give any scores for that because you know your angle is incomplete, it's not full. You're not showing that it's an angle, so you should always remember that and put that depending on the angle. So that's one part of the angle, and so these are called these this thing and that thing is called the arms. So arms, like, it makes sense, right? It looks like an arm, I guess. So, and this point where the both arms meet is called the vertex. So that's where the both arms meet. So that's why it's called the vertex. So now let's look at the different types of angles. Well, there are, I think, hold on. So there are many different types of angles. Let me list them. Acute, right, uh, obtuse, straight, and complete. So these are the five different types of angles. Well, in acute, the angle basically looks like this. The angle should not measure more than 90 degrees. So no, sorry, I presented it wrongly. So the angle over there, it should not represent more than 90 degrees. So basically that the angle should not measure more than 90 degrees, not exactly 90 degree as well, and it should only be less than 90 degree. It can be exactly 89, not 90. So yeah, it cannot be 90. So that's the basic thing about acute. And for acute, you put the angle sign should be like this. So yeah, that's basically acute angle. And for right angle, well, it's I draw the angle like this. It should be exactly 90 degrees, not more than 90, not less than 90. I know this doesn't look like a 90-degree angle, but I'm sorry, I don't have a protractor with this software. In late videos, we're also going to learn about how we should construct an angle. Let me. Well, I but we'll look at it in a different video. Hopefully, I get a software for that, and let's do that and that. So this basically is the right angle, and it should be exactly 90-degree angle. So yeah, that's and also for this angle you have to draw it like this, like this part should form a square. So square, rectangle, whatever, but it should form something like that. So that's how everyone knows that this is right angle. So now let's go to obtuse angle. Well, the angle looks like this, and the angle part should be like this. Well, the measure for this angle should be more than 90 degrees, but less than 180. It should not be 180 nor 90. It should be more than 90 and less than 180. So that's the property of this obtuse angle. And for straight angle, it should be exactly 180. Well, basically it's just a line, and I put a thing like this, it's like a semicircle basically. I put something like this. It should be a straight line. It should exactly measure 180 degrees. And a complete angle is something called something which looks like this. It's just a circle. I mean, yeah. So it should be exactly 360. So yeah, this is basically the 5 main angles that has been found until now, or at least which I know. If there are more angles, I'll definitely cover it in the later videos which I post. So yeah, and also I also wanted to tell you, when I was talking about these angles and the measures, I say the word degree everywhere: 90 degrees, 180 degrees, 360 degrees. Well, basically, degrees. There are we use degrees in two ways. One is to measure the temperature of something, and the other is to measure the angles. It's basically the name of the measurement. So when I probably say 85-degree angle, I just put a dot over here. So let's say this angle is equal to 85 degrees. I put like that. That's how I represent the angle. So I put the dot, and that's how you present the measurement. So that's just a measurement. And also, well, of course, you draw the angle with a protractor. So yeah, so guys, this is the basic geometry. These things are the basic things. So I will post more videos on this advanced geometry, and also I will have a all-rounder video which I did for the basic math. Please do have a look at it, and yeah, if you have any questions about this, post it in the comments so that I can try to answer them. And also, please subscribe to the channel. If you did, then hit the like button, share it, and comment below, and watch some more of my educational videos. Thank you.